YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Davy in the cut. You already know what time it is. We finna get a crazy cut up. Hey chat, if y'all don't know, tomorrow I got a trip to Germany, so this will be like the last cut up for like probably like a week and a half, some shit like that. So let's cut up. You feel me? Hold on. I ain't gonna fake it. The last vid, I forgot how to cut up, bruh. Well, I forgot how to sit in these cut-ups, bro. So I was sitting up too close. So I couldn't even see the dashboard or nothing. So yeah, hopefully this vid, we got that shit more locked in. I got it lower so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, the full cut-up. Make sure y'all like, comment, sub. If y'all new, we on the road to 10K subs, man. We on track street, you feel me? When I got my shit this low, I can't be seeing the fucking street for real. Hopefully y'all can see this shit. Make sure everything green before we just... Y'all know this is my last day with my shit. Come on, let's get to it. Close this shit. That shit like way loud as fuck. Hey, chat, let me know, bro. What mod y'all want to see on the car when I come back, bro? I know first thing when I touch down in the city, I'm putting stars in the roof. Shout out my dog, Jazz. No. No. Let's see if this little Honda Civic want to get up there. SI. I ain't touring the Honda, so I don't even know if this shit get up there for real. You trying to cut up, so let's see if you really want that. Y'all know, bro, I like just bullying niggas in traffic, bro, doing my due diligence. We on the turnpike, though, so the speed limit 80. I don't know why the fuck niggas is, like, driving mad slow, you heard? It is 4 o'clock, niggas might got dummy traffic. Chat, my phone at 5%, so I hope my shit do not die during this cut up, bro. I'm on the way to meet up with my Dukes. I ain't gonna lie, I'm late as shit, bro. I was supposed to get there at 4. I left the house at 4, bro. It's 4:12. My bad, my Dukes. It's lightweight traffic, but man, we can get this shit popping, bro. We can get this shit popping, bro. Let me know y'all fucking with this muffler delete, bro. Y'all fucking with this bit? This bit lightweight. Feel me? That bit loud. We ain't had this fucking traffic, bro. I ain't the type of nigga to cut that left side, bro. Them niggas in Atlanta, bro. Not even Atlanta. Them niggas in the city be doing that shit, bro. I be seeing that shit on YouTube, too. Them niggas are straight demons. Y'all know it's only one scenario that I'm using that lane. Whoop, whoop. Lights behind me, boy. I got to. By any means. That should be looking too free. Alright, bro. Yeah, cause that shit right there is finna piss me off. Let me do this, yeah, feel me? Alright, bro. If I was a demon, like, bro, just cutting through that shit. I ain't gonna lie, I have 100K views every time, chat. Hey, 1K likes, I cut on the left side. Everybody spamming with that like button. For you talking about? I might get a cut up on the way back. My phone finna die. Hopefully I can get a little charge in. I got a charger, chat, but I can't fake it. That shit is like... this ain't even a charger. Hold on, Sean. Can I grab that bitch? Hell nah, I can't even grab that hoe. Long story short, the charger like 2 feet long, bruh. So ain't no way I could cut up and charge my phone. You feel me? Alright, we off the highway, so now we just finna terrorize the streets and shit, bruh. Hopefully we can catch a little stain, little mirror or something in traffic, bruh. Do them niggas the worst way. I was just napping though, chat, so I ain't even too, like, energized for real, bruh. Niggas lightweight snoozing. I gotta do better, bruh. Have better time management, but I was supposed to be here at 4, nigga. 4, nigga. Nigga hit with that 4, nigga. Hit that hoe, nah, cause I'm probably finna take off too. And my bitch lit too. Hey, if y'all new, bro, y'all know we got the red guts. If y'all new to the page, bro, make sure y'all sub up in that bit. Probably y'all a little double upload. Why that mirror? Nigga just now trying to get on the turnpike. Niggas be pussy. Niggas be pussy. And my bitch lit too. I'll call little bro, knock y'all shit loose. I was questioning if I was gonna go or not. Oh yeah, fuck it. Fuck it, let's do it. Damn, man. I ain't even got time to help you, brother. I ain't even got time to help you, brother. I ain't gonna lie, chat. We basically got our destination, so I was gonna wrap up this video. I'm finna try to charge my phone so my shit don't die while I'm in here. Hey, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, comment, sub, man. More cut ups on the way. Yeah. Yeah, dig.